This project is a 3D printed money clip. These were printed by 3D Creation Systems. The money clip is a great project for 3D printing because it's actually an object you can use every single day. It really is a project that's functional and can have a little bit of extra design to it if you wanted to. I've seen other 3D designs for money clips that are out there that people have 3D printed, but they never really worked that well for me. They actually didn't get a good grip. What I realized was that there just wasn't enough tension, and a great way to add more tension was to actually add a little dip into the money clip so that any paper or anything going through there actually has to go through that dip instead of just being held flat. This money clip can be designed in any 3D CAD program. It's really a 2D shape that's just extruded along one line. All the prototypes for the money clip were printed on a consumer level 3D printer you can have in your own home, but I wanted to have a more finished version, so I sent the files over to 3D Creation Systems and they printed up this white version for me. The design of the money clip was probably about an intermediate project. It's really not super basic, but fortunately you don't have to worry about that because we have the templates, and making any modification to the design is very easy. This project really shows off the power of 3D printing because you can really quickly take some item that you see out there in the world and start messing with it, see if you can improve it.